Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. All links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience. Here on Rome Tips, we're comparing JPMorgan Chase and Truist Financial to help you decide which bank best suits your needs. When choosing between these two institutions, consider factors like branch access, available products, online and mobile banking features, and your specific financial goals. JPMorgan Chase, a banking giant in the US, boasts a comprehensive suite of services. From basic checking and savings accounts to credit cards, mortgages, business loans, wealth management, and sophisticated investment options, Chase offers a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. This breadth of services makes Chase attractive to those seeking a single institution to handle everything. Their extensive network of branches and ATMs across the nation, combined with a user-friendly digital banking platform, provides convenience and accessibility for customers nationwide. Chase is also well regarded for its credit card offerings, especially travel and rewards cards, and its robust business banking solutions, making it a popular choice among entrepreneurs and frequent travelers. Truist Financial, the result of a merger between BB&T and SunTrust, holds a strong regional presence, primarily serving the southeastern and mid-Atlantic states. Truist concentrates on personal and small business banking, mortgages, and a variety of lending products, fostering a more localized, community-focused approach. Their checking and savings accounts often offer ways to avoid monthly maintenance fees, and their personal loans, credit cards, and mortgages offer competitive rates. For those who value a community banking experience, Truist is a compelling option. Truist's digital platform is continually evolving, with initiatives like Truist One Checking designed to simplify banking for everyday transactions. While Truist may not offer the extensive product range of Chase, its regional focus often translates into a more personalized customer service experience and greater community involvement. Regarding rates and fees, both banks offer opportunities to minimize or eliminate charges, particularly if you maintain minimum balances or utilize specific services. Customer service experiences can vary depending on the specific branch and location, but both institutions aim to provide consistent and helpful support. In summary, if a nationwide presence, premium credit cards, comprehensive business banking options, and sophisticated wealth management services are your priorities, JPMorgan Chase likely emerges as the better choice. However, if you prefer a more regionally focused bank with strong community ties, accessible lending options, and streamlined everyday banking solutions, Truist Financial might be a more suitable fit. Ultimately, the best bank for you depends on which institution's strengths best align with your financial goals and long-term objectives. Consider your individual needs and priorities carefully to make the most informed decision.